Recorded rolling. It's Thursday, April 23rd. Today's a good day to work on your 90% pie goal, which is due May 20th, or that 11.3.11.4 packet. Now, those last three questions were about crimson here. Just want to remind you guys, in case you missed it from yesterday, the last three circle questions, 31, 35, and 36A, are related to Kramer's rule. I realize partway through class yesterday, it's really long, repetitive process. So I had you guys scratch out two of these. Okay? So we did one of these in class. We did number 33 class yesterday. And I just want you guys to kind of at least do this once independently on your own, which is number 31. Okay. Okay, so this packet though, due tomorrow. If you haven't finished today, you can turn it in today. Tomorrow we're going outside activity. It's going to be an orienteering activity, and I'm going to give you guys a treasure map, and you have to know how to read bearing. So here, I'll show you guys how to read bearing. And then when I give you guys the treasure map tomorrow, you'll be ready to go find the treasure outside. So okay, suppose you saw a direction that said, say like start and blah, 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 like start some starting location. And then what if it said walk, I'm just gonna X on up here, 25 meters at how about 30 degrees east of north. So E for east, N for north. So I draw this out here. So okay, got the compass rose, north, south, east, west. Okay. Guys, what would 30 degrees east of north look like? 30 degrees east of north. Okay. So you can see I'm doing like of north. So I'm going to start relative to this north-south line. For bearing is always relative. Bearing is always relative to a north-south line. It's just a convention that people came up with. So I'm going to deviate from here. So I'm going to go 30 degrees east of that, which is like right here. So that would be this direction. Okay. This right here is 30 degrees east of north. You guys see that would be? Okay. And then maybe you'll get the second direction and the third direction. So now you're at this point. So now what do you do? Okay. And then maybe it says, now walk, say 12 meters at, how about 50 degrees east of south. And so S for south. Okay, east of south. Okay. So I wonder what 50 degrees east of south looks like. Again, it's relative to a north-south line. Right? All the directions for bearing are always going to be relative to a north-south line. So you start with your north-south line. And what would 50 degrees east of that look like? Well, got a protractor. So we sweep out 50 degrees, which is like right here. Right. And that was the oops. Okay, something like this. So this is 50 degrees east of south. Get that? Okay. And then if you had west of north, that would be like this. And if you had west of south, that would be like this. Okay. Oh, and then sorry, this was the second direction. Actually, you'd be picking up from where you left off. So this would actually be like up here. So you guys get the idea. If it was like, you know, kind of in that direction or something like that. Right? All right. So yeah, that'll be tomorrow's adventure. Take you guys outside for a treasure hunt. But today you guys can either work on Aleks or finish that packet.